You're watching EDS TV.
Oh shit.
Good thing that truck had his emergency flashers on. Wouldn't want anyone to think that they would be driving normally, am I right?
Partly sunny tomorrow, and the breeze is sticking around. And by the afternoon, some flurries are going to be headed our way as we reach a high of just 39 degrees. Right now, it's 47 in Oxford Circle, 48 degrees in Woodbury, and 47 degrees at North.
The truck turns left, cutting off the camera, and gives the birdie. It always baffles me when someone that is driving a company vehicle and does something like this.
So broken fibers and also static electricity, these two combined together.
I hope that cop came down hard on him with a ticket. That kid needs some serious points on his license. Hopefully he'll be too expensive for his parents to insure and will be off the road for a while because allegedly they tried to pin the blame on the camera. Great situational awareness and reaction time from the camera. This could have potentially saved his life, and I'm not even joking here.
And crash.
Now that is some slow motion stupidity right there. Crash is a strong word for whatever this is. It makes me happy that the camera finished their turn instead of stopping in the intersection to let the idiot continue being an idiot.
What the?
Bobtail on the wet pavement with the driver apparently driving too fast to safely stop, which is an accident waiting to happen. The worst part about this is Calling Every Chance I Get is a lousy song. This is considered a moving violation. You could be ticketed for cutting through a business's parking lot strictly to avoid regular traffic. Not sure if this is enforced much anymore. Allegedly, this driver was joyriding a stolen car. Nothing about that ride looked joyful. It's still surprising to me how many people will just not look when they pull out into the middle of the road, especially in a small car like that. It's like they're asking to be made into debris. The accident was ruled non-preventable on the camera's part. All the occupants of the car were walking around after the accident.
Last week we did their game. He was great when he did run with the ball. He hadn't done it much this year, but then scored high, lower than expected. Now we come back to that run. First and 10. The receivers didn't know that it wasn't turned up to the right. Sure feel. Again, a reminder, Baltimore at the LA Chargers game is coming.
Hey, you saved a lot of time.
Whenever I see wipers on max speed in a drizzle, I know for sure that that person is a crazy idiot and I need to stay as far away as I can. The driver did come back, but about 5 minutes later, and that is only because another car chased after them.
It just darkens a little bit.
The camera admits he was at fault here and is thankful that nothing happened. Golden hour, which is a period shortly after sunrise and before sunset, can be both a beautiful and dangerous time. Stay safe, y'all. I'm not 100% sure who's at fault here, but the car that hit the camera might be at fault for moving into the lane the camera hadn't completely cleared. Would be interesting to see how insurance rules this. According to the camera, he saw that driver's face and it was totally clueless. So he wasn't playing with his phone, he was just looking ahead and went through a red. It's crazy and scary that he zoned out that bad. I love the fact that the camera added a mini-map for context. Bonus points that this was a karma clip. It was mostly the Nissan driver being an idiot for not ensuring it was safe to turn onto the main road, not turning into the leftmost lane, and not merging properly when the lane ended. The others are just trying to dodge them.
Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.